Oh my god, dude. Nothing anywhere. Anywhere. I was like, dude, what the hell? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do a little Christmas haul. So I'm going to be showing you all the things I picked up for my Christmas tree. So all this decor is going to be pretty much for Christmas trees, nothing else. This year I just wanted to focus on the tree. Last year we actually did get rid of our artificial tree, so this year obviously we had to get a new one. And I was like, we're going to get a new tree, we need to get new decor for it, you know? You can't have a bomb looking tree with like old decor on it, you know? So I went a little bit crazy on the decorations. This year's theme, I wanted to go with like a rose gold and gold. I actually came across this picture on Pinterest and I was like, dude, this is it. This is the tree that I want. So I tried to practically recreate it. That's like the goal. I want to recreate this tree because it's just so pretty. I'm just like, I fell in love with it when I saw it. I couldn't find the exact link on where the tree exactly came from to see like where they got their stuff, you know, because I really wanted it to be exactly the same. I just found it on Pinterest, but either way, this tree is just perfection. It's my dream tree and I was like, let's try to recreate it. So that's exactly what I'm going to try to do. So if you're interested to see what I picked up, then let's get started. So starting with the tree, we actually found the perfect tree at Home Depot. Once I saw it, I was like, hell yeah, this is it. It was completely different than what we had. This one was flocked, which was exactly what I wanted. I feel like the white trees just give you a more Christmassy feel, you know? It gives you like a winter feel since here in California, we don't get a winter, you know? So I knew I wanted it flocked. And then this one actually has little tiny lights. At first I didn't like them. I wanted like the original lights that most Christmas trees come with, you know, like the ones that are like kind of like long. You know which ones I'm talking about, like the small lights. When I first saw it, I was like, oh, I don't really like the lights because they're not going to show. It's going to be like very dimmed. But then I realized that it had more lights since they were little, so it made it look like the tree was more lit up. So the little lights just made it even better. And the lights, you could either put them colorful or white, which I think is perfect. I'm going to put them white because that's the vibe that I'm going for, but it's cool to have the options, you know? And also the main thing that sold us on the tree is once you attach the 3 pieces on the tree, there's only one connection that you need to plug in, which is freaking perfection, because the other tree that we had, you had the 3 parts and each part obviously had to be connected with each other, and then you had to like connect the main plug to the wall, and that got difficult because sometimes like the top and the bottom would be lit and the middle would be dead. Sometimes it would be hard to connect. So this one, the fact that once it was attached, the whole thing lit up, I was like, this is it. It's not gonna be complicated to attach because there's only one plug. So hell yeah, let's do it. So once we found it, I was like, yes. The tree's already up, but obviously I can't put the decorations yet because I wanted to film this haul yet, but just know that this tree is freaking perfection. So the tree's 7.5 feet tall, 1.5 feet higher than what we had, so it's just, we freaking upgraded, dude. I love it, man. So starting with the decor, this is the tree skirt that I got. It's this faux fur skirt with like gold tinsel on it. My sister actually found this for me at Marshall's. She knew I was looking for decor and then she saw this one and she FaceTimed me and she's like, look, do you like this? And I knew I wanted a faux fur skirt to begin with. I did have some listed on Amazon, like I had them in my shopping list, but those were a little bit pricier. This one was 30 bucks and it's like way bigger than the ones that were on there. And I think like the gold little tinsels just add a little touch. This is not a white color, it's like an ivory, but I still think it's so pretty because it like reminds me of snow. So this under like the flock tree, I feel like would look so pretty, so yeah. It's 60 inches. I honestly don't know how big a tree skirt is supposed to be. Our tree is 7.5 feet tall, so I don't know if it's supposed to be like bigger or smaller. I think it all depends on preference. So yeah, I went with the 60 inch. I think it's better to have it bigger and show than have it be too small and be hidden, because either way you're gonna put presents under it, you know? Now for the ornaments, I did pick up a few different ones. These were the first ones that I picked up. These are from Home Goods. They have like rose gold, gold, and the iridescent. I love this one because those were the vibes that I was going for. I wanted the rose gold, the gold, and then I did want to incorporate some iridescent into it. So once I saw this one, I was like, dude, this is perfect. So these are a pack of 70 and I thought it was going to be enough, but then I came home and I realized that these were smaller than the usual ornaments that we use. And usually with ornaments, like you use a lot in your tree. And I was like, if we're getting a 7.5 foot tree, then obviously this isn't going to be enough and I don't want them to look too little on there, you know? So I'm still not exactly sure if we're going to use these. For all this stuff, I went a little too crazy. Like I overbought just in case. Like I'll rather have extra than not. So that's why I bought from places where if anything, I can return it. So with this, I do like the gold ones, so I might use the gold ones, but I'm going to save these for last just in case because I did find other ones, but yeah. These I thought were so pretty. They were the last rose gold. Dude, I could not find any rose gold things anywhere. I don't know if everyone is trying to do rose gold or if that's like not in style. That's why they're not bringing it out, but I was like, dude, what's going on? There was like nothing. This was like the last one there. So thank God I got lucky, but oh my God, dude, nothing anywhere. Anywhere. I was like, dude, what the hell? So yeah, so I got this one from Home Goods and then I found this one at Hobby Lobby, which I thought was so cute because it was bigger. So this one is nothing but rose gold vibes. It has like the glitter one, some like textured one, and then this like mercury glass one. So this is exactly the size that I wanted. And again, this was the only one that was there. If not, I would have probably gotten another one. I feel like maybe I should have gotten one in gold as well and like not use the previous one that I showed you, like the ones that are more little. But maybe now, since I have the small, the medium, and then I also have large, maybe it could be like the best of the three worlds, you know, like small, medium, large. So we'll see. So these were from Hobby Lobby, and I think they're so cute. And all of these are shatterproof, so they're not gonna break or anything. Like the glass ones do look more elegant, but I couldn't find any, so I'm sticking with what I found. So then for the large ones, I found these at Target. Once again, they're rose gold. So in that picture that I was inspired by, I saw that all her ornaments were pretty much rose gold, and then like the other decorations that she had were gold. So those were like the vibes that I was going for. So I was like focusing on like rose gold ornaments, and then for like the poinsettias and all that was gonna be gold. So that's why pretty much all the ornaments that I have are rose gold. So yeah, these were from Target. These are like way bigger than the other ones, and these are shatterproof as well, which is good. So yeah, those are the ornaments that I got. Another thing that I found at Target were these crystallized ornaments. I got the clear and the pink. I got both just to see, you know, I wasn't sure which one I was gonna go with, but this one opened up, so I'm gonna show you. It's just some crystal teardrops. I think this is so cute. I feel like it'll give the tree like a blingy effect, you know? And then actually I found these a little bit smaller but way more and way cheaper on Amazon. These, look at all these. So these, I think it's like a pack of 60. These were like $6. And then these over here are a pack of, I don't know, I think 12 for $3. So you definitely get more out of your dollar over here. So I'm not exactly sure which ones I'm going to use or if I'm going to use them. And these over here, since it doesn't have like an actual rope to hold on to it, I did buy like the clear jewelry string to put so it actually looks like it's floating on the tree, you know? That's what I have pictured in my head. I'm not exactly sure if it's going to look good, but still. I'm going to try, see how it works out, because I want it to look blinged and pretty, and I don't know, I'm just excited to decorate, you know? So one of the main things with Christmas trees that people put is ribbon. They wrap ribbon around it. And in this inspo picture that I saw, they had fur, and I was like, hell yeah, that looks like snow. Like, that's exactly what I want. And honestly, it was such a hard time trying to find fur that wasn't so expensive. Like, honestly, fur anywhere is freaking expensive. So then I found some trim at Joann's, and oh my god, hopefully it works out. So here's the trim. It is a little bit squared, but I feel like when I put it, I'm gonna try to like fold it in like that, you know, so it looks round. Look, you see all the hairs coming up. But yeah, so I saw this and they had it 50% off. So each yard was like $4. And I ended up buying 8 yards because honestly, I had no idea how much I was going to need. And I'd rather have like way more than way less, you know. So I saw this and I was like, hell yeah. And when I was actually researching the fur trim, I actually came across a few videos about people talking about them using like the replaceable dusters, like the white dusters, as like the snow, like to replicate the fur. And dude, it straight up does look the same. It looks like the snow. I was like, that's actually cute, but I didn't want to like buy so many of those dusters because then it was going to be hard to store, and like what if I didn't like it and stuff. So I'll try to like put the link to that below because it is like a more supposedly cheaper alternative to actual fur. The girl's video that I saw, that thing was actually cute. It like looked really cute, but I didn't want to go for that. So yeah, I ended up with this one, and now talking about it, I feel like the hair is flying everywhere, so hopefully that's not an issue when I put it up. But I hope this works because I don't have a backup ribbon, and I just think this is gonna take it to a next level. So another thing that I knew that I wanted were some flowers, or as they call them, poinsettias. Poinsettias, I'm not exactly sure what they call them, so we're going to refer to them as flowers. So in the inspo picture, hers were, I think, like a gold or like an ivory, so I knew I wanted to go with those vibes as well. So I came across these that had like some sort of like ivory with some gold. I like that these were like a two-tone. It wasn't just the straight up gold, you know, because I got some other ones that were just gold. So these have like a little peak of like some ivory, pretty much more like a light pink, light ivory. It's not really ivory. It's more like on the pinkish side, like light peach. I do wish this was more like a pinkish to go with the rose gold, but whatever. I like how they were big. These are like, I believe, 10 inches, and these came in a pack of 6, and they were $14.99 each, so I got a pack of 2. I liked how they were bigger. I like how the big flowers look on trees, you know. I feel like they just make them look more professional, you know, like the ones you see in the stores. So I like these, how they had like the little hints of glitter. And all this stuff, the ones that I got that have the glitter, like the glitter does freaking fall off, so you have to be careful because, oh my god. Glitter is everywhere, dude, everywhere. And then speaking of more flowers, I also got these gold ones. These are actually like a champagne color. They also had pink ones in this, but I didn't want to go with the pink for this one. So these are it, and they do come with sticks to stick in the back to just stick into the tree. So these actually came in a pack of 10 and I got them for $5, dude. $5 only. So there's this like app that I discovered called Vipin. I don't even know how the hell you say it, but it's this like app where you go and you just type in whatever you want from Amazon and it'll show you if there's like a coupon code for it. So I just typed in Christmas ornaments and this came up. Original price is like $10, but it was half off for $5 if you just insert the code. So I got 2 of these, which made them 20. So for 20 of these, I pretty much got them for $10, which I think is such a steal because they're cute. They shatter freaking glitter everywhere, but I think they're so cute. And speaking of the glitter, I did actually buy some Mod Podge. So I bought Mod Podge and I sprayed these last night just so it like helps with the glitter fall off because I don't want to have the whole house freaking covered in glitter, you know? So I actually did do that and I realized that it does kind of like tone down like the shininess and glitterness of it, but like I'd rather have it toned down a little bit than have freaking glitter anywhere, you know? So if you're gonna have any decoration with glitter, I highly suggest just spraying on some Mod Podge to it because there is glitter everywhere. This, oh my god, definitely such a steal, dude. $5 for 10, like you can't beat that. And from that app, I also came across these glitter snowflakes. I knew I wanted the glitter snowflakes because once again, they were in the inspo picture. So I was like, hell yeah, I want these. I had found them on Amazon, but I was like, let me wait. And I ended up finding them on that app for $5. 30 of them for $5. Are you kidding me? And they come in like 2 different like designs. So I was like, hell yeah, these are in the rose gold. They also had like champagne and gold, but I was like, let's go with the rose gold vibes just to have a little bit of both. So this was definitely a steal. I also sprayed these with Mod Podge because there's freaking glitter everywhere in these. And you can't beat the price. 30 for $5. Hell freaking yeah. Now for the tree topper, that inspo pic that I had referred to in like the beginning when I first saw the picture, it did not show the top, so I had no idea how they had it. So I just searched for other Christmas trees and I was seeing that there was a lot of like trees that didn't even have like an angel or like a star. They just had like pics sticking out of it and I was like, hell yeah, that is exactly what I want. That's like so elegant and so different. So that's exactly what I wanted to do this year. So I did buy some of that, but first I felt like it needed some sort of light like for the night, you know, it needed to be lit up. So I found 2 toppers, but I feel like they're not like your typical stars up there. They still go with like what I'm trying to accomplish. I bought 2 of them. I'm not exactly sure which one I'm gonna stick with. I'm gonna have to see once I put it. But the first one, I found it at Crate and Barrel. I'll insert a picture of what it's actually supposed to look like. It's pretty much just like sticks with lights, so you could adjust it any way you want. That's exactly what I wanted since I do want like just the sticks coming out, you know? And I feel like if there's sticks with lights, that's even better. I feel like it'll give the same illusion, you know? It'll be sticks, but they have lights on it. So I found this one, and then this one is white, but then I went to Target and I found another one that was similar, but this one was gold. And you know how my decoration is gold, so I kind of wanted the topper to be gold. So this is the one from Target. This one is sticks as well. You could adjust it the same way. This one is more like a star. So picture this. I want this, and then just like the picks and the sticks just sticking out from the back. This is so cute. I liked how it was the glitter. It wasn't just like the typical white. I feel like the white wasn't gonna blend in as much since the other sticks that I have, none of them are white. I feel like this one would blend in more, so this is the one that I got. And I like how it clips. You know how with other toppers you have to like stick it through the stem and it just lays there? I like how this one you could stick it anywhere. Like if you want to bring it lower or higher, you could do that. This is actually going to be the first for my tree. It's going to have some pics actually coming out of it. I think trees with these look so freaking cute. So I found some gold ones and I actually bought some rose gold as well. I just didn't know what color I wanted, you know? So I went crazy, dude. So I got the rose gold and then I got gold. I got 20 of the gold and 10 of the rose gold. I wasn't sure what color I wanted to use since all the ornaments, the snowflakes are rose gold and then like the flowers are gold. So I bought both just in case, maybe mix and match. And then if I have extras, I'll stick some of these at the top. This was one of the things that was in the inspo pic and I was like, hell yeah, I need these. These were $1 at Hobby Lobby, dude. $1. Like, you can't get better than that, you know? Amazon does have these as well, so I'll link those down below, but dude, $1? Hell yeah. So this one is a rose gold and this one is the gold. The only thing that I don't like about rose gold sometimes is that it gives off the vibe of copper. I'm not exactly sure if copper kind of is like rose gold vibes, but still I don't really like when it looks copper. So I wasn't sure exactly how these were going to look, but now looking at them, I think they're cute. So when I was doing my research on the top of the trees, like with the sticks coming out, I did notice that they had like different textures, like sticks with different textures. Some were longer, some were shorter, different colors. So that's exactly what I went with too. So I bought like 3 different types just so it could like look different. So the first one right here, oh my god, it's like my favorite. It's this bling bling right here. Look at how cute is this. Oh my god. By the way, these are called picks or sprays. I forgot to mention that earlier. So if you ever need to like search for these, just search Christmas tree picks or sprays. Not exactly sure why they're called sprays because this is not a freaking spray, but whatever. So these right here, this is actually from their wedding section. I found these and I was like, dude, bling bling for the top of my tree, like hell yeah. So I just realized like how cute would these have looked sticking out of the tree. Like instead of these, how cute would these have looked? These were a little bit more expensive though. These were $3.99, but dude, these are perfection. These are actually from Hobby Lobby's wedding section. I just came across them online and I was like, this is perfect. So I'm assuming they have these year round since it's like a wedding thing. Just picture this on top of the tree. Straight up bling bling. So for these, I got 4 of them, but honestly, I feel like I could have gone with 2 or 3 more, but I just spread them out so it like looks more evenly. Honestly, this is something else that can be used as regular home decor. How pretty. Oh my god. So some other picks that I got were these rose gold glitter ones right here. So these just like feather up in the air. They have like little sequins attached to them. I feel like I may have to spray these as well because there's glitter everywhere. So for these, I got 5 of them. Now that I'm seeing it, I feel like I needed way more. Because I've seen some trees that are so overly exaggerated with these sticks, but it makes it look cool, you know? So I don't know how mine is going to look because now that I'm seeing them, there's like not really a lot. These were $1 as well. Not that bad because in other places like Michael's and Joann's, they were like $4 or $5 a piece. So I don't know why these are so cheap. How cute are these? And I love that they're rose gold because there was no rose gold at all. Like everything was either gold or silver. Pretty much silver because everything gold was practically sold out. Now for the last ones that I got were these. I don't even want to take it out of the bag because there's freaking glitter flying everywhere. Oh my god, my bed is completely full with glitter, dude. Oh my god, I'm gonna wake up with glitter on my fucking face. Oh my god. Okay, so anyways, this one is cool because you could actually adjust it to how you want. I'm not even gonna adjust it because hell no, dude. Oh my god. So these you could adjust any way you want. And someone actually in the reviews wrote that this was perfect for the top of their Christmas tree. So I was like, if she's using it for the top of her Christmas tree, then I should be using it because that's exactly what I want it for, you know? So these you could spread as big or make it any shape you want. So I got 3 of these. Didn't know exactly how many to get, but I ended up with 3 just because these could easily be spread out, you know? So that was everything that I've gotten for my Christmas tree so far. Here's to hoping my Pinterest-worthy tree comes to life because, oh my god, I've been so excited about it once I started shopping. So let's hope it all comes out cute and exactly how I want. So I'll try to have some links for you guys down below. Maybe you saw something that you like and you want it for your own tree, so I'll hook you guys up with the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Leave me your thoughts in the comments. And yeah, happy holidays. Mwah. Bye.